One of my favourite mental routines is called Take 12. And I ask the students to put 12 blocks into their workspace. It's interesting to watch how they do it, because some will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and they'll take a few more. And then they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they'll count, and they'll take a few more. They'll count again. They'll take a few more, and then they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They'll be a little bit surprised by that last one. They might take it out, and then they might count again. Now this is counting all. It's typical of a student who doesn't trust the count. They may be very disorganised in the way they do it. I'll kind of do that again, because they might pull some in and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull a few more in, and if they've got these close to the edge, they don't know which are in and which are out. And then you'll see, because they're in a random order, unless they literally slide them and move them, they don't know which ones they've counted. Now you'll watch other students, a little bit more sophisticated, who might come along and they'll actually go 1, 2, 3, and they'll put another 3 there because they know that 3 and 3 is 6. There's that conceptual subitizing. And then they might count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got a subitize and a count on. So we're going to see different ways of entering this. Some people will have them in a shemozzle, some people will line them up. It's bad news really when people start to join them up, because when the students start to join them up, you can see how hard it is, it's hard to pull them apart again. But anyway, let's eventually get, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I've got my 12 in the middle, however I've done it. Now I might say, I really only wanted you to have 10. Now watch what happens to somebody who doesn't trust the count and somebody who's not counting on yet. 1, 2, 3, and we'll go through that whole process of possibly not trusting the count, recounting, just to get 10 back on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Whereas you'll watch some other students and they'll go, well, I know that's 10, 11, 12, and they'll just slide those 2 away. So even at the level of getting 12 into the workspace, there's a lot to notice. Now I might say, I really want you to have 6. Those students who've got theirs in some sort of an organisation will find it quite easy to see a subitizable pattern and just take 4 away, leaving 6 behind. It's all in the organisation, it's all in the subitizing, the using countable. Sorry, go again. It's all in the subitizing, the counting on. And that's what we're trying to notice with an activity such as take 12 cubes. You'll see the counters, you'll see count all, you'll see subitize, count on. You may even see some unitizers who know that 2s are countable units.